Hi, today I'm going to be making a video about me taking care of bees. So first thing I want to do is smoke them. Then you want to take off the lid. And these are some things you want to look out for some bees. For bee problems. Vermin, mammals, and anything that will kill your bees. And then wasps. You need a hive tool. Yes, you're going to see this in my presentation. So, what you do is put it right here, between one. Now you're not seeing it. You can use your hive tool, but in this case I didn't need it. Oh, this one looks busy. Yeah, I need my hive tool now. Is one of your most important tools. This one looks like it's being worked on. Oh, yeah, this one's being worked on actually.
Oh, stop and roll it up. I see the queen. Do you see her? Right.
Yeah.
I almost poked her. So talk about the queen?
The queen is the most important bee because...
Hold it still so we can see.
I know. Because she can lay the eggs and she is... And if you kill her, your bees are going to go crazy.
Yeah.
So you want to be very careful with her. And she likes the dark. Uh-oh, we have some trouble.
Well, what are you seeing in there,
Queen
Finn?
cups. See, queen cups. Those are bad.
Okay. What do they mean?
If they get laid in, they can make new queens, and the queens could fight over this, and...
Why don't you rotate it so we can see it a little bit better? Okay. So it's that one?
Yep.
I don't know if I can. So what's over here?
Honey.
And what are we seeing in the center right now, apart from the couple of queen cups?
Pollen.
Pollen, okay. So, what are we going to do with the queen cups?
Squish them.
Okay.
So this is how you squish them. You use your hive tool. Like, oh.
Okay, you see the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright. Let's look in the next frame.
I'm going to smoke it. I'm going to smoke them. So I have some more space to work. I don't want to kill you, bees. Cute.
When you pull this up, describe what you see if we're seeing brood and stuff, okay? Heavy? And use your finger.
Yeah. This stuff right here is brood.
Okay. What is brood?
Is eggs that hatched, that turn into larvae, and they're ready. The larvae are ready to turn into things that are flying around right now.
Okay. And what is surrounding the brood on that frame?
Honey, pollen.
Can you point out the pollen?
So pollen is this section right here.
Okay.
Honey is this section right here. She's
Okay,
down here. We spot her again. Who is her? The queen. The beautiful white spot on her means queen.
How else can you tell if she's the queen?
She's fatter, she's bigger, and she's a lot cuter.
She's about twice as long.
Yeah.
And what is she kind of crawling over right now? What area was she just in?
Pollen area. Oh, larva area.
Yeah, there's lots of larvae in this frame. So that's really good.